YouTube, welcome back to your girl's channel. My name is Waima and thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have a wig review from West Kiss Hair. They were so nice enough to send me a V-part wig in the texture body wave, and the length was 24 inches. Came with an adjustable strap and it came pre-curled. So we're just gonna get straight into the video. Here you guys can see me parting out where I would like my hair to be parted, and I'm going for a side part, so that is what I am parting right now. I am making sure that my leave out is sectioned in a V section because that is how the V part wig is made. I'm just going to make sure that I have put enough leave out in by putting on the V part wig on my head to see if I've left out enough leave out. So here you guys can see me, I am braiding it up and putting it away. I don't know why I did not put anchor braids or braid anchor braids, but make sure y'all do that because you do not want the clips to be sliding. Even though they were fairly secure, you just don't want to have that risk of your wig sliding. But here I'm just doing my lazy girl method that I always do. I part my hair into two sections and make two pigtails and braid them down. So that is what I am going to do here. And for the rest of the video, it's pretty self-explanatory, so I am going to stop talking and y'all are just gonna see me work. So yeah, y'all. right, y'all, so this is the final look and I am honestly loving it. I honestly appreciate the fact that Westkiss Hair curled this hair before sending it because it just saved me so much time. All I really had to do was curl my hair and then probably just this piece that I layered in the front right here with the bang, and that was that. That was it. I had to do nothing else. So the curls in this unit really came through for your girl. Now, if you want the specs on this hair, again, it is 22 inches of the Body Wave V-part wig, and I'm loving it, okay? Now, if you are not new to my channel, you know for sure that I am not a girly who loves body wave or like straight textured hair. I'm more of a yaki straight or kinky straight type of girl. So yeah, but I will say that this hair is cute. Now, I know my hair is not gonna last long with this hair. I know my leave out is gonna shrivel up in like 2.5 seconds after this video is done, and that is just my hair. My hair is not necessarily heat trained to be like silky straight. Now, kinky straight, it'll stay, but this is like silky straight, so we'll see. But I do love it. I do appreciate the fact that this V-part wig comes with an adjustable strap because, y'all, my head is on the smaller side. You would think that I got a big old head, but my head is on the smaller side. Thank you very much. And with that being said, I always feel like my wig caps are big on me. But with having an adjustable strap, it just helps to not have like the back of your wig like hanging. You know what I'm trying to say? And I just love the fact that this hair came ready to go. Like, this is a V-part wig that you literally just can put on and go. All you have to do is just make sure your hair is flat ironed and curled a little bit, and that's it. Because I did not have to curl the whole head of my hair. I did not get any shedding while doing this hair, which is great. And also, it came ready to go. Like, who does not love that? If you're not sure what to go for with a company that you're starting out new with, I always say Body Wave is the texture that you should get because you can't really go wrong with the Body Wave texture. I really do think y'all should check out Westkiss Hair. Again, I will leave all the info in the description box down below. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.